got dropped off to me. This is a buddy's motor, engine, whatever you want to call it. Alright, that's a bit strange. Put a piece of board. Quick start guide. Well, I thought I'd be pretty good by putting it on that bottom board that came off the top of the box, but I guess it's already bolted to a piece of wood. Spark plug tool. Every engine comes with one. Key looks pretty weird. Nice that it has the start option. Pulling it out, kind of peel a layer of skin off of my hand. Sitting over here is kind of sharp. No big deal. Customer, buddy, actually, he's going to be ordering a clutch for it. Probably going to run a CVT system on it, being a 420. I don't think a centrifugal clutch would hold up very well for what he wants to do with it, so next video, this will be getting mocked up on a frame, or being built, a frame being built for it. Kind of nice that it's mounted to this piece of plywood, because I can use that as a template. Looks like there's just 2 bolts in it, so I'll be able to pull out my speed square, my angle square, and make the other 2 bolt holes and use that board as a template for the engine, I guess. Thank you, Harbor Freight. But I think that's going to end this one off. Next video, you guys will see me putting it in mock-up stage. Probably pull the tank off and muffler off, air box off. So it's going to be going on a 3-wheel moped project. So stay tuned. Hit the like, subscribe if you like what you see and want to see the next one. Turn notifications on, and that'll be in a couple days.